Okay, everybody, this is an unboxing of the EcoBee 3 thermostat. Wanted to get something to go along with my Alexa, and also, of course, it works with Siri and everything too. So this was an awesome choice. Okay, there. Download EcoBee to begin your installation. I already downloaded the application, but you have to install your thermostat first. So, do not use this if you have a C-wire. I happen to know that I do have a C-wire, so I won't be using that. That there is a little stand for the sensor. I will probably use that. And we got this. Alright, so everything else will go back into the box. I like to save my boxes, and if I ever want to get rid of something, at least I have the original box. It makes it you get more money back. So I'm going to put everything back together. You know what? It's so weird. It's like I remember seeing that they had a bigger. Maybe that was in the bottom there. I don't think I need it, but they had a bigger ring to go around that side there. Probably in the bottom. Oh, there it is. There it is. I knew it was in there somewhere. Haha. Okay. Little stickers, cool stickers. The kids will love those. Quick setup guide, wire labels, yeah. I know I'll need that. I don't think I'll need the other one though. Be right back. Okay, so yeah, I won't be needing this. Checked it against the sides of my thermostat. It's pretty small, so I won't need that. This should cover up the holes nicely, the existing holes. So put all this back in there. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I cut the breakers to my circuit breaker or to my thermostat and the furnace. So as you can tell, there's no display on there, so I'm good to go there. And now we can pull this off carefully. I don't want to rip the thing out of the wall, because I kind of might need to use those screws later on. Okay, now I need those. I don't think my screwdriver is going to work there. Might be too big. Oh, it does work good. Okay. So now it's just red. Okay, so you can see I actually took a picture of these, so I don't really need these stickers. I can see good enough with the picture I took to see which ones they are. I don't have an RC or an RH. I have a red, that's all. So red comes out. Like that's kind of silly. Like don't know if this is red or not. Right, red. I'm just gonna unscrew all these all at once. And the C-wire. Okay, so now green, obvious. Green, duh. That says yellow 1. So make sure you get the right one, yellow 1. got white 2. White 2. You got a white 1. Ours is a blue, orange, or white 1, and ours is orange. So we use orange. And your sticker is for orange or blue. That's fine. And we got the C wire. This one here. Kind of a brown color. Some people say it was a C wire. Right here. Okay, so all my stuff is labeled now. I'll take the screws out. Oh yeah, they really did. That's typical. I tell you what, not even drywall screws, they're just screws. That's funny. Look how long they are too. Man. Come on, people. Really? Are you kidding me? That's sad. They're not even drywall screws. They're just screws. Okay. Pull this off. Yep, just screws. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and I had to put the anchors in there. Now I'm going to put the screws in. Get these back through the holes here, like that. That was there to keep the wires from falling in. Alright, so I'm going to start this one. I'll thread this one. Get on there. There we go. That should still be fine. Just like it is. Don't tighten this one down yet. There's still plenty of room there because you still have to level it. Alright, now I gotta put this one in. Okay, so I'm going to tighten this one down a little bit anyway. Alright, and then don't want to tighten it too much. Alright, so right there. Get the bubble in the middle. Oh. Yeah, okay. Well, I hold that down. Bubble in the middle. Hold it. I'll screw it down. Okay. Alright, so here's my old one. Now, okay, we're gonna go red. Red is power, and RC means cooling, and RH means heating. Energize one or the other, and I'm gonna go in here. Yellow 1, go into yellow 1. Okay. You got green to go here. Like that. EcoBee, which is the orange one or the blue one. Ours was orange. Okay. And we got W2. W2 goes over here. Like so. Push all those wires down out of the way. Okay. And you got the C wire right here. C wire. And you push there. Okay, so now give them a little tug. Might not beat that one all the way. Okay, so give them a little tug, 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 tug. You can tell they're pushed in because of their indent here. And then, like I said, you give them a little tug to make sure. Just to make sure. Okay, now I got my little unit right here. There's the plugs. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on one side and 5 on the other. Obviously there's no way to get these confused. Just plug it in right here like this. Boop. It's on. Now that it's on, I'll take the cover off there and I'm going to go turn power on. I'll be right back. Okay, breakers are on. I got my little bee. Now I'm going to do, what are we going to do here? Just wait and see. Okay. Oop. Powering up. There we go. Let's have just RC. Which RC, which wires, terminals have wires connected? RC only or RC and RH? Well, you saw I only had RC on, so we go next. Right? We have detected the following wirings. Orange, white, white 2. Yes. All good. Okay, to use W2, you must have the W1 wire installed. If you only have one W wire, one W wire is installed, it must be connected to W1. You can remove the EcoBee 3 and check the wiring or press the configure to manually configure. Okay, so I'm going to switch that out. That's so weird. Okay, I'm back and I turned the breakers off again, and here's the deal. Okay, you can see here the wire that the white wire I had was on W2, but I also had the orange wire that, as you see on the bottom there, is a W1. So what this thing is telling me is because they're separate. I'm going to pull this off. Try to pull this off. Right here. It's because they're separate. I have an orange here, and on the old one it's together, blue, orange, and white one. And this one has a orange and blue and a white one, or white 2. So what it's telling me is I have to take this wire off, white 2. So I'll push that down, I'll pull this out. Not a big deal. For the sticker, doesn't matter. And it's telling me to put it in white 1 now. So back into white 1 it goes. Oh, I need to help it a little bit. My finger's a little slippery. Okay, so it's in white 1. Pull it out, or give it a tug, make sure it's in there right. Now it's right. I'll put my EcoBee back on right here, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are again. Just got back, put the breakers on, going through its little self checks. Let's just try and move that down a little bit. Okay. self-checks. I don't need that anymore. Okay, so again, RC only. I don't have an RH, just one red wire. There's the following: the red, the green, the yellow, the white one this time, orange, and the C wire. Is that correct? Yes, it is. Do you have one of the standard? No, I don't. Fahrenheit. Oh, go back there. Okay. Do you have any? If you have any accessories, humidifier, dehumidifier, ventilator? No. Do you prefer Fahrenheit or Celsius? I want Fahrenheit. One stage heat pump, one stage auxiliary, fan, thermostat. What's that mean? Do you want the fan to be controlled by the thermostat or your HVAC equipment? Ooh. Fan controlled by the thermostat. Yes. Ooh. Furnace. What type of heat pump do you have? Air to air. The reversing valve is on cool. Next. Choose a name, my EcoBee 3. Home. My EcoBee 3, that's good enough. What is the ideal temperature during the winter time? 76. Right. Really? I think so. Yeah. 76. Ideal during the summer. 76. Go back. Yeah, that's where I like it. What is the current mode of your HVAC system? It was on cool. I'm cooling right now. Senses that you are home during your scheduled away period or away. If your EcoBee 3 senses that you are home during your scheduled away period or away during your scheduled home period, it will automatically override your schedule to maximize comfort savings. Enable if EcoBee 3 is located in your family room or some other high traffic area. Yep. Okay. Please select your country of residence, United States. Please select your time zone, New York. To get the most out of your EcoBee 3, you will need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Next. You can use your iOS device as an iPhone, iPad, such as to set up, simplify Wi-Fi setup. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to cut right here because I don't want you to see my password. And I'll be right back. Okay, so it's now connecting to my Wi-Fi network. Now connected. Yes, thank you very much. To ecobee.com server. 12-hour format. Date, time. Requesting registration code. Now, because you have to go here, so I was trying to do earlier. Enter the code. Okay. Go back and do this again. Oh man, that hurts. Okay, so now you can see both there, and I can actually this. Before and holding. I hear the air kick on. It's back to 76. Okay, that's good. Good. 76, 76. That's good. Okay. And that's it. Wow, everything else is good. I think I'm going to go in here and look for home for now. As you can see, everything's working there. Comfort setting. Date and time, they were already updated. Heating range, cooling range. Okay, that's good there. That's all like a rebout thing. Okay, about right here. Wi-Fi, support. Okay. Oh, I gotta put that sensor on now. Okay, so be right back. Okay, so here I am. Let me get back out of that. This is the sensor. This is a little stand that I will be using. So you gotta pull, well, first of all, you right, pull it out. Yeah, right. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it's out. And there's a remote sensor. And I'm actually going to put this on right now. There. Snap that in place like that. Yada, yada, yada. There. Yes, I do want to pair it with the pairing sensor. It's going to be little B. That's funny. Okay, that's kind of weird. I don't know why they wouldn't have a kitchen, so that's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it kitchen. I-T-C-H-E-E-N. Next. Sensor is active during the selected comfort settings: home, away, and sleep. Yes, I want them all. And finish. Yay. Okay. That's it. That's all it is. I mean, everything else is set up now. I'm going to go set this on the counter. And that's it. I want to see, I'm curious to see what it's going to do now. So if I got anything else, I'll add it. If not, I'll be editing this and posting it.